Nandito na si RACEPOWER shocks for Vespa.
Okay, it's your wait for play. Eat it like some yo play. Your face down and you know the rest. You drive the boat and I motorboat. I'm swimming all of your drinks stream. Let me roll your boat like that. Say they wanna party with the crew.
It's just 2 minutes para dun sa launch namin dito sa Vespa Pilipinas Tourism Rally. Pero before I go, watch out. Sa ngayon ang available is itong yellow and itong black. So I need you to wait and see. Ang gagawin namin, magte-teardown tayo ng isang RACEPOWER for Vespa just so you can see what's inside. And also, the same RACEPOWER technical support from AVMOTO, the after-sales support and service, and yung 1-year brand new replacement warranty. So, I would like to make it official. RACEPOWER shocks for Vespa is now available at AVMOTO.
Okay, it's your wait for play. Eat it like some yo play.